right, guys, I just hopped out the shower and it says that my hot sauces are here. I'm so excited, so let's go and see if they're really here. I've been waiting for them for a long time. All right, so I'm going to be doing, so I'm going to be doing a hot ones challenge with my friends. It's gonna be so exciting, so sit tight. All right, I have it in hand. So, hot ones, thank you. I have the package finally. It took you long enough, but we're gonna do this challenge. And guys, to be continued and stay tuned. Yes. All right, guys, so let's open this up and see. Vivian is playing with the ring. All right, so let's see what's in. Let's unbox this. All right, guys, so let's check out let's unbox this, and then we will have, and then there'll be another episode with the challenge. So there are 10 different hot sauces in here. I am so excited. So Hot Ones has their own label. So these are 2 of them. Hold on. So you have this one is the Last Dab. You know what? Let me take them out so that everyone can see properly. So that is it. See, why do people always tend to like video bomb my videos? I don't understand. Anyway, so we have the Last Dab. Why is this? There we go. So you have the Last Dab. This is the Apollo. Eye of a Scorpion. So I'm super excited for this, guys. I'm really, really excited. Then so these are closer to the end. So then we have the Bomb Beyond Insanity. That's the one I am scared of the most. And then this is the Honey Badger. The Honey Badger. Okay. I'm gonna keep them in order because I don't want to mix them up, even though I watch the show like constantly. I watch it. That was my mom, guys. She's in her moo nightgown. All right, so that was that one. So let me just keep them in order so I don't have to fuss with this thing later. Honestly, watching the show, everyone always, people think, oh, they probably like exaggerate, but it seems like even though the Bomb Beyond Insanity is not the hottest one, it's the toughest one to swallow. No, like you say, the toughest pill to swallow. It really seems like it's the toughest one to deal with. So, and then we have Tears of the Sun. Means your eyes go water. And then they have Los Calientes. Is it Los Calientes? No, Los Calientes. This one here, and Tears from the Sun. And the bottle sizes are they're a good size. I was afraid that, sometimes you order these things and then the bottles come really, really small. I assumed that maybe, I was really worried. I wasn't assuming, I was just a little worried that I was going to get gypped, but no. You do get what you pay for. The bottles are a good size. Then we have, I'm going down the list. So that one, what I just opened was from the hottest. Now I'm going down. I've been going down, okay? Here we have Monk's Barbados style hot sauce, and then Hellfire. So that's it, those two there. So take a look. Very nice. Then we have at the bottom of the list, but not the bottom in terms of flavor. So based on what I've been hearing, these two flavors are really good. So we have garlic and pepperoncini, and then we have the classic hot sauce here. So those are the last two. So there are 10 hot sauces in all. Now everyone, I'm gonna have about 5 to 6 of us participating in this wing challenge. I won't be eating, I'll be participating as well, but I won't be eating any wings because I don't eat meat. So I will either do it on jumbo shrimp, or I will do it with, what do you call it? The cauliflower, sorry. So I'll do it with cauliflower. I am excited for this, but guys, because I have been waiting to do a challenge like this for a very, very long time. And I love hot sauce. I love heat. And since I'm in the Vivian, I don't really eat, even before, because I had to stop. Plus, it's not good for you. I stopped having hot sauce. Plus, anything remotely hot, I would have acid reflux. So I sort of stopped. So my tolerance level has gone a lot lower than it used to be. But for this competition, but this challenge, I will definitely be, I do not want to be the one to not make it. I don't want to be put on the wall of shame, because I will, whichever one of you does not make it to the end, we're going to take a picture of you and the bottle that you stop at for the wall of shame. So guys, wait for this challenge. Sit tight. It's going to be a good one. So to be continued, probably release this in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned and wait for it. And that's that on that. All right, my realists, do not forget to like. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So stay tuned. Yeah.